Hey guys, Jason here with DelcoDiesels. Another quick thing. Yesterday I was getting in my truck and, it's been kind of cold here. We had some ice and snow. Went to pull the handle and it ended up in my hand. So, I'm just going to show you how to quickly replace that. This is on an OBS Ford. Basically, most of them are the same, and the ones that aren't are kind of close to the same way. So, basically there's a couple screws down here at the bottom, and then you have one in here, and I believe you take these two out, you unclip the harness for that, and the panel slides off, and then you can get to the bolt for this. Might not have to do all that. I might be able to move the door panel out of the way, but we'll check it out. I'll get to it. Watch the video to the end to win some stuff, and subscribe. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, I'm back. We're going to remove the screws for the door, and there's one here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, and then we got one up in here, which I think I drilled out already and it's not there anymore, and then we got to remove these two, and I'll come back. Okay guys, removed all the screws. I took these two out. Might be able to move the door away. If you just pop the door up, this piece of trim should pop out like so. Oh, and there goes the door. See, it pops right off. And here's my problem. Right here. Sorry. Right here is the bolt I gotta take out and replace the handle. So let me see what size it is, and I will put it in the link in the description. It's probably 10 millimeter, but we'll find out. Alright, okay guys, I'm back. You really won't see too much, but it's 8 millimeter. Sorry. There's the new handle I got, Dorman, just, regular stuff. I think it was $8 or so. I'll put a link up, but here's the new handle. And basically can only go on one way because there's a groove you gotta line up. And that's it. So, just put it in here. I know this is boring, you guys don't want to see this, so I'm gonna do it as quick as I can. Make sure it's tight, not too tight, because we don't want to break this one. And there we go. Alright, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stop the video here, but I'm going to clean up these and put some oil on them. And a while ago when I put this new speaker in the door, I broke a magnet stick, and it's in the door, so every time I slam it shut, I get a noise, so I'm going to fish that out now as well. So I'll be back putting the panel on. Alright guys, I'm back. Could not get the piece fished out of the door, which, whatever, dealt with it for this long, so not a big deal. Alright, now I want to just put this light back in. slide the door on. Just pops right in. Longer screw you have goes to the top corner, and all the other ones should be the same length. A bunch of mine actually were all stripped and broken. I drill them out. So what I did is I replaced them with these self-tappers. I'll put a link up so you guys can see them. They're basically just about the same size, so doesn't really tap anything. They basically go right in, no issues, and they're new, so you can get them right out. I had to replace them because when I ran wires for my rear lights and crap I got going on back there, to put them under the kick panels, all the screws were stripped, and I had to replace them. You can see them here. So that's what I did. Alright, door's done, so let's check it. Good, handle works. Now I'm not trapped anymore. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'm going to have a lot of giveaways coming up real soon. Hats, shirts, decals, all kinds of crap, and discounts on diesel performance parts. Alright, like, subscribe, follow, whatever you do. Thank you.